If you want to use transportation in Korea, you need a T-Money card. You have to choose between two types of T-Money. One Climate Companion card, a transportation card that allows unlimited use of subways and buses for a specified period. Two General T-Money card, a transportation card where fares are deducted from the prepaid balance each time public transportation is used. The Climate Companion card is a period-based unlimited pass for subways and buses, allowing you to travel as much as you want within a set period. You can buy it at the nearest convenience store. However, this card is only valid within the Seoul metropolitan area. But you will be able to travel around most areas in Seoul without any issue. If you start your journey in Seoul but attempt to exit at a station outside of Seoul, you will encounter an issue when tagging your card at the exit gate. In these cases, press the button on the side of the gate and the station staff will help you, and you will have to pay an extra fee. This is not a penalty, but a regular fee to the station from Seoul. If you are planning to travel outside of Seoul to places like Jeonju or Busan, this card cannot be used. Therefore, it is recommended to purchase and use the card only for the duration of your stay in Seoul. One exception is when you get off at Incheon International Airport subway station, Airport Terminal 1-2. Subway station is technically outside of Seoul, but for tourists, climate cards have been used to make it possible to get off at the station. You cannot start your journey at these terminals with this card. Only exit. After purchasing the card, you need to recharge it. You can choose the language here. The price of the card itself does not vary depending on the period. The same card is used for all periods. Put your card where you charge it, and you must specify the date you want to use. Click the button. Select the period you want to use. Click the button. Make sure the amount is correct and press the right button. You can choose a charging method and charge it.
Please collect your card.
Complete the charge. If you try to charge with the charging machine in front of the gate of the subway airport railway line, an error will occur because they don't support charging this card. So you need to go to the machines near subway lines 1 to 9 to charge it. And if there is an issue, you can press the button on the right to ask the station staff for consultation. Just tag the card in the gate and enter. It's the same when you get off, just tag the card in the gate and come out. You must tag the card at the gate when you get on or off. If you accumulate the tag twice, you may be suspended from using the card. The General T-Money card is a prepaid transportation card, where fares are deducted from the balance each time you use public transportation. It's ideal for travelers who prefer to load only as much as they plan to use. This card can be used anywhere in Korea, regardless of the region. Whether you're in Seoul, Jeonju, Busan, or any other city. General T-Money card can be purchased at convenience stores, T-Money vending machines, or at customer service offices in metropolitan subway stations. For your information, buying a card from a convenience store is usually the easiest option. General T-Money cards can be charged at convenience stores or charging machines. After purchasing the card, you need to recharge it. You can choose the language here. Press the charge button.
Place your transit card.
Put your card where you charge it.
Please select an amount to
Select the
reload
amount
your
you
card.
want to charge and check the amount.
Please
General
enter
T-Money
cash,
cards can
and
be
the
charged
device
with
will
cash.
start reloading automatically.
Just tag the card in the gate and enter. And if there is an issue, you can press the button on the right to ask the station staff for consultation. It's the same when you get off, just tag the card in the gate and come out. You must tag the card at the gate when you get on or off. If you accumulate the tag twice, you may be suspended from using the card. 1 Climate Companion card. I recommend it if you use the subway or bus several times while staying in Seoul. 2 General T-Money card. I recommend it if you want to use it anywhere in Korea and pay for it only as much as you use it.